Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will be using my Die Assault Matrix paintball gun made by Die Tactical. I'll be using my Kill House weapon system scope, my green laser to point out bad guys. I'll be using limited 20 round mags instead of my box mag. No screen cover for my optics. I will have my Tippmann TIPX as a sidearm. Enola Gay smoke grenades.
Remember your role model. Play with honor.
Armadillo on top, let's go! We're at PRZ. Crazy game. Now this is a special game because I will be playing with none other than the hidden Hedgehog. Also, Alabaster Slim is here for a minute, but crazy.
Loose on the right! Loose on the right!
You can hear the accent.
Where?
Where are they? Look right.
Slim's gone, moving!
Move!
You gotta love the screaming. Those Vice guys are crazy. So this is PRZ, the massive hospital slash indoor outdoor field, and Hidden Hedgehog flew all the way from England to play this honey badger game. It's nuts.
Roger that! They're on the right side of your building, too tall! Say again? Roger that.
Let's make sure I put a magazine in first. There we go. Let's get it, baby.
Damn it, my gun's off! Too tall! Shield behind you! Woo! Too tall, watch your step!
Too Tall is across the building trying to make some moves.
Hit!
I get hit out early, but thankfully it spawns right around the
Good
corner.
job, player, whoever you were.
And I'm right back.
Sorry.
Building. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're back in it. I see Hedgehog taking cover, so I run to join him.
On your six.
Let him know I'm there.
We gotta worry about guys in these buildings, am I right?
Yeah.
Now, if you don't know who Hidden Hedgehog is, he's literally one of the most famous snipers in the paintball world. And
Right here.
it's an honor to play with this dude. I can't tell you how excited I am to fight side by side, but
A white canister over here that I think we can get to.
Roger that. Watch that 12 o'clock under the building, that yellow building. He's right in there.
Yeah.
it's really cool to plan with another mate like this.
You don't have much cover, so be careful. Shield running left.
Now notice he's not using a sniper
Worry
rifle.
about these buildings here.
I know. If they get in these windows, we're screwed.
I guess we won't have enough cement to go, right?
He's changed up his game style for this special edition of the Wolf's Den. It was crazy fighting alongside, and you're gonna see how we work off of each other. Now someone just
Impressive.
goggled him, and he's letting him know they did an impressive shot, but again, the spawn's right around the corner, so he's gonna come back and join up with me again.
Careful around that corner. Careful.
Shout out to the Vice crew. If you see Hawaiian shirts, it's usually Vice, and those guys are wicked paintballers.
Roger that. Tell me when. Hedgehog, you alive?
He got inside the building, so I'm gonna go join him.
Moving. Sorry.
Give him some backup.
There's a shield, yeah, facing us on this side.
Roger that.
He's watching his angle on the door. I'll watch outside so they can't shoot inside of this container and take us both
To your
out.
right, strike G6, on G6.
That's a friendly.
No. Keep coming out.
Yeah, I see him. My guy's gonna take him.
Just when I was about to reload, one of my guys runs up and totally gets this guy running right past him and taking him out. It was really funny to see. Amazing.
That was beautiful!
That was a great move. You can usually tell when I'm laughing on the field.
Oh!
Jesus,
First
mercy.
barricade! First barricade!
Roger that. First barricade.
That was beautiful. Headshot right through the window.
Oh, I got a shield right here.
Got a break.
Yeah.
I've got a medic band.
Whoops. All right. Come on,
Calm
baby.
down, Wolf. Calm down.
This is what it's all about, baby. I'm playing with Hidden Hedgehog and PRZ in freaking Canada. How much better to get than that, son? Right there. I see you.
You can do me the honors and patch me up.
I did.
I got shot in the
Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Come here. Is that all I need to do?
When he said patch you up, it means heal him.
You're good.
I thought he meant give him one of my wolf patches, which I already did. So essentially, we had a medic card on each of us. Very cool game. I love the rules of this.
Coming to you.
Very cool. Hidden Hedgehog wearing my patch. Gotta love it. So I
Roger that.
patch up his
through the blind window.
injury. Go back. My guy got hit. Who's watching there? Now the trigger thing is I have to watch this angle and the angle from the door opposite Hidden Hedgehog. So I'm constantly moving back and forth between the two entryways and watching, making
anyone
sure
coming, you let me know.
no one gets up behind us. I get down low on the ground.
Put that right side the best you can.
Yeah.
I'll try and cover this.
Not the time for Snoop Dogg.
There's always time for Snoop Dogg. 1, 2, 3 into the floor. Shoot you in the head until you're falling on the floor.
Oh, I like that. Look at you. Look at you.
That was for you.
Freestyling right on the field.
Coming up, rocking the place with his first strike rifle and he's goddamn all over the place.
Yes, that's right. Hidden Hedgehog freestyle rapping Snoop style on the Wolf Den. Gotta love it.
I only had my rifle, my first strike hammerhead.
Now you say that.
Yeah, I know. I'll be able to take some people out from here, for sure.
Keep watching that window. I'm really open here.
Notice how I stay low to stay out of people's line of sight.
Not be anyone on that right hand side, but let's just try and hold this position for as long as we can. Yeah, you can hear them in those buildings. So every now on this right, there's nothing really we can do about this. Okay. Guy push you around.
I hear close fire. Close fire.
Yeah. Sounded like our player, did. Yeah, I think we've got some guys in that building now because one of them just took out one of the guys over there.
Over there?
Yeah, no, to our left, but the shots came from the right. So
Roger that.
I'm thinking we might have a few players giving us some relief here.
My shield, bad guy
Yes,
shield.
we have. Yes, we have. We've got a red player in here,
Roger that.
which is good. Watch that first barricade.
Reloading. I've got one in the building right across.
Yeah.
Notice how I'm shooting left-handed when I switch sides.
Hold this for as long as possible. We might be able to push up. We should just go for a little rush. Oh.
Hot damn, that gun is loud.
Oh, yeah.
Another one just crossed over. I got 3 blues in front of me. My 12 o'clock. My 1 o'clock.
Right. Still got that one guy in this building.
Down in the description, I will link Hedgehog's video so you can see his perspective also, because he also posted this video from this game.
Shield backed off. Shield backed off.
Okay, guys, down you close. First barricade on our left-hand side.
Roger that.
Reloading, reloading.
They're trying to flank us. They're trying to come around the back.
Yeah, well, there's not a lot we can do about about that right now.
Notice how we're constantly talking to each other, letting each other know where bad guys are approaching from and what they're trying to plan.
They get too far on our 6, they're gonna reach us with first strikes, and we got round balls.
Yeah.
Notice how I'm constantly moving back and forth, never staying still too long, because if someone is aiming at me, you do not want them to get that easy drop. I go back, check the other door.
Watch your barrel.
No, he said watch my barrel so I don't stick it too far out.
Okay, he's under the yellow encampment.
Now, I don't have first strike rounds and he doesn't, so we can't utilize the distance.
They're trying to creep up behind us. Got one, got one. Oh, I got him good too.
Wish I had a better video, but that was a good kill, baby.
And talk to me if you need help.
Yeah, now I'm just taking.
Now, I say that because Hidden Hedgehog is used to using his sniper rifle and his first strike rounds.
On this right hand side. I must admit, I do like this full auto kit for the T15. It's kind of juicy, is a good word to describe it.
Friendlies, right here.
Okay, we've got friendly moving up. That's nice. Maybe we can make for a little run here.
That guy's moving across down here.
Yeah, we've got some cover, limited cover, but
It's funny because he's also commentating his own video as we're playing. So it's kind of cool to witness that as I'm playing with him.
okay, that guy in the building straight across us, he's just been took out.
Roger that. Got another head over there. Switching a semi. Getting low on ammo.
Conserve it. Remember, short control first.
It's over, man. It's over, man.
That's it, man. That's it. Goodbye.
Game over.
So that was a good time for an Aliens quote.
Wolf's down 50%. 10. 5.
That's funny.
A cheeky little burst to let them know I'm still here.
Yeah.
You know that they can't come up just yet.
It's annoying because I know someone's out there and they're trying to make their way around, so I can't keep looking out for too long. Always moving back and forth, back and forth.
They used to call me Neo in my.
I was just gonna call you. I was just gonna say, straight up Matrix move right there.
They keep taking pot shots at us. We gotta dodge them.
Hey, who's that behind us? Let me know if they're coming. Oh, okay. You wanna watch down there? All right. Let me know if they're coming up.
They're all pulling back.
Appreciate it.
Finally got some backup to watch my 6 so I can concentrate.
Where we could just.
Last bang very soon. And then you know what I think we do? We both run zigzags towards them. See how many we get. That's what I'm thinking.
Well, I was getting a little too comfortable. Give me 1 second. Still, they're hitting pretty hard, bro. You sure you want to do that zigzag plan? We're going to feel it.
You guys want it out?
Negative. He is. I'm okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay a layer of smoke.
Just gonna do some live Instagramming.
I'm just going to go for a run.
Make sure I have my password.
See what happens. Never know. I might do some good. I believe in you. Right, so they've got first strike gunners right now. There's nothing I can do about that. But if I can pull this pin, I'll be trouble doing with it right now. Come on, you bugger, get out.
Sure you got that.
Shout out to Enola Gay Smoke Grenades. They sponsor both of us, which is cool. So we had lots of coverage.
Bad guys?
Right. Oh, thought that was
Yeah, I saw it hit. Hit the wall behind you.
taking it to the right.
Wind's completely taking it.
Whoa, careful.
Ah, damn it. Gun hit. I need a medic.
Gun hits don't count.
Gun hits don't count?
Gun hits don't count.
I'm gravy, baby.
See, that's what Slim said, so if I'm wrong.
Hey, that sniper's just standing up right there.
Some games like this specialty game, gun hits don't count. Usually they do count, so don't take that out of
I wonder
context.
if I went,
Exactly at the desired effect.
I wonder if I went across that street laid down by the
He's got a
tire.
bolt action, so.
Hey, I got 2 trucks broken down on the street over here. A whole bunch of guys holding their hands up. Come here. I don't know if that's going to screw up our attack or not. The hell?
Right.
How hard is that hitting?
Hitting hard, man.
Jesus.
Some of these paintball hits are sounding very intimidating.
Yeah, right behind the tires. Behind the tires. Nice! Great shot. That was awesome, brother.
Hey, what? You only get one. Don't count.
That's the quota, that's the quota.
Right, well, can you give me some suppressive fire in that yellow top building, yeah?
Yeah, tell me when.
As much as you can.
On your count.
On 3, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yahoo! Oh, nice try. He is crazy.
Can you get up?
The window, yeah, they got him.
Can we go around the
He
right?
went pretty far though.
And there's one more bunch over here, hold on. Really too far.
Whoa!
Hedgehog took a run, I covered him, but he could only make it so far. There was a lot of bad guys across the street.
I broke a ball. I got it clean.
Oh, shit.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Those are loud as hell.
It can't be all of them, though. Maybe it's just this material or whatever. It's like
No, it's the round. I see them coming.
Someone's shooting hot because those paintballs are hitting that wood really hard. You can usually tell by the sound.
Take that.
You got some attention over from the right from that.
Good.
Let's switch out. See if they come in.
Oh, he just moved. He just moved. Come on, baby. Come on. He's in this building right in front of me now. I don't think he knows I'm his son.
That's Marigold.
Roger that. I got a sniper in this building right here. He's ducking down for a while though.
We got a coconut up here too, but
Okay, let me check down here again.
I can get that guy. I can get that guy to the tires.
You have first strikes?
Yeah, I got it.
I got 2 guys at the tires.
Notice how I have as little as my gun showing as possible. I am completely behind this wall except for my scope and a bit of my head.
Alright. That's it for me, man.
All right.
Thanks.
See you on the other side.
Alright, never mind. Now we're gonna see. That's more rounds yet.
That was a nice surprise.
My teammate is starting to run out of ammunition.
I don't know if I'm gonna get a reach from there. Got probably 2 rounds left. Got me.
Make it count. Saw my life go. Whack me, that's fast. You hear how hard those are hitting?
Yeah, I think it's the metal, man.
No, it's not the metal. Ah!
And he
hit.
finally got me on the leg.
Felt that one. All right, bro. See you on the other side.
Yeah, I'll come in with you. You got 1 round?
I'm hit. Good shot. Good shot.
I cannot be mad at that. That was some seriously good shooting by my opponent. I hope you enjoyed this episode of The Wolf's Den with the legendary Hidden Hedgehog. Make sure you check out his channel down below. waving to the other guy so I don't get hit again.
Good job, Bo.
Make sure you tune in next
I think one
time.
of you guys got me.
Now, I'm
Very
doing a
accurate, man. Well done.
special giveaway right now in the comments. I'm giving away a prize to someone who comments down below. Hit the like button. Please subscribe if you like watching the show. And stay tuned for more tomorrow.